everybody, back on the lake this morning, fishing with my dad. We're both going to be using fly rods and poppers, topwater poppers. I'm going to be doing some canoe fishing, so I'll see you guys when we get out on the water.
Nice one.
Hooked up.
That's a nice fish.
Yeah, it's not bad. He's hooked up.
I don't want to.
It's a pumpkin seed. Your first fish today is a pumpkin seed.
Nice little fish, huh?
Yeah, they're pretty. Switching sides. I'm left-handed and he's right-handed. We were both casting on the inside of the boat. It's better if we go on that side and we can both cast on the outside. Got that one. Just a little one. Got him. That one followed it for a little bit before it took.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah, I got one. It's a pretty good one, I think.
It's sideways. Huh? How's that? That better?
I think so. Just don't flip us. Yeah, it's a pretty nice fish.
Yeah, that is. Look at the size of that little baby.
I saw it. It came up, swiped at it once. There's a big carp right there, surfacing.
Oh, over there?
Yeah. Not a bad one. About average.
I get the technique.
He's hooked up.
He's a little guy.
Little guy. Nice. And you got some salad. I got one.
Nice, I see. Fishy.
Hmm?
This is where they are, huh? This side for some reason, huh?
Hooked up. He's hooked up.
Where are you?
Salad. Nice. Good fish? No. Yep, I'm gonna have to switch back.
There you go. Ooh, he jumped right out, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
I think a good one.
Were you popping it, or was it just sitting there?
They were just sitting there. Yeah, good one.
Yeah, that is a good one.
Oops.
The biggest one today, ain't it?
I think so. Pretty nice one.
Yeah, that's nice.
He's got one. What is it, a good one or? Yeah, average. Pretty good one. There's a fish right there. Yep. I landed right on top of him. I seen it like wiggle down there.
Yes.
Yeah.
There we go.
Little guy.
Same spot I was fishing. What the hell is that about?
Got another one. Doubled up. Cool. We just doubled up. That was neat. He's hooked up.
He didn't even come up. He just like.
That was a good blow up right there.
Yeah.
I wish I got that on camera. Pretty good head shakes.
Straightening the boat out.
Yeah. Nice.
No, that one's nice. Hang on. Daddy's coming, daddy's coming, daddy's coming, daddy's coming.
Where's this fish? Got one.
Nice little spot over here, huh?
Yeah. I need that net. Could you hand me that net? Thanks.
Rubber thing. Yeah. Ooh.
Stay tight.
Yeah, fine.
It's pulling us a little bit. Is it a nice one?
It feels a little bigger. He's unusual. He wants to come over there with you. Not bad, huh?
Yeah, not bad.
It hits. Everyone seems to hit a little different. Yeah, nice. Yep. There you go.
That's a big one. I don't know what that is. That's huge. That's big. It might be a big largemouth. Seriously, it's big.
Yeah, Get the net?
Yeah, I got the net. Not huge.
He wasn't. He didn't want to be. He didn't want to be on that hook, did he? Yeah, that's big.
Yeah, it's big. It is. Yeah, it's big. For here, it's big, at least. You got one.
You don't even have to move.
You want the net?
You have to move it.
Net's right behind you. Nice.
Buddy.
Missed him. Nice.
Mate, you're right. Look at the sun here, dude.
Yep. Things you gotta like take note of. Should be a fish right there. Yep.
Damn, yo, you called it.
Yeah.
Used to float around here, drunk all freaking day. Betty used to be yelling at him, "Come on, get drunk." He had a little cooler with his ice and his little glass and his scotch bottle.
Just enough wind today. I got a fish. I got a fish. I got a fish. I got a fish.
Is there a fish on it?
Yep. Oh, it's a big one.
I see him. Oh, baby. He's mad at you. Oh, that's the biggest one of the day, isn't it?
I think so. Wow.
Yep. We could have the whole neighborhood over for a barbecue.
Biggest one of the day.
Yeah, that's the biggest one.
Yep. Got one.
Carp. See? There's a big splash. Did you hear it?
I heard it, yeah. I thought it was somebody, person. Got another one.
Haven't done it quite this good, huh?
It's always pretty productive though, when we're here. Thing is, they just don't have any size to them. They're all about the same size.
Probably overpopulated.
Yeah. They give you one shot and that's it. One opportunity.
They don't come back, do they?
Nope. That one came back. With a vengeance. Oh yeah, look at the size of this one.
Yeah, look at your rod. Look at it. You got yourself a fish there. That one's bigger than the other one, maybe.
I think it is.
Is it?
I think so. All the big ones are pretty much the same size. Yeah, it's about the same size. It fought so much harder, I thought it was bigger. Yeah, just a little guy. Nothing crazy.
Yeah. Nice.
That was a nice hit.
Huh?
That was a nice hit.
Yeah. I love that.
Just caught that one fish from right here and just had another one hit right here. Probably won't come back again. There we go. This one's actually pulling really good. Got him. There it is. Yep. It's a big old grass carp. Yeah.
What the hell was it? Carp?
Yeah, it was a big grass carp. Or comma carp. Must have been having breakfast. There's a lot to go around. That was cool.
What are you looking at this?
I thought it was a creature poking its head up, spying on us. Another little guy. There we go.
The little wind is taking us home, ain't it?
Yeah.
Or are you doing that?
The fish is doing it that I have on. Ooh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, he's pulling the boat. Oh, ooh, that is a knifey. That's today's biggie?
Could be. Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, that is the biggest today, isn't it?
I think so. Somebody else caught him.
Nice.
It's a nice fish. Big grass carp right here. Just don't move. I'm gonna poke him. It's laying on its side. And I got a fish on. Hi, good morning. Look at the size of that fish. That thing is 60 pounds. It's like a 55-gallon drum down there. And I got a fish on. That was a moment right there. I got a big fish on.
Wait, you have a fish and a crawfish and
Here, can you nut him for me? Well, that wraps this video up, everybody. Me and my dad ended up hammering the smallmouth again today, so it was a good day. Another good day on the water. I hope everybody enjoyed. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.